incredible costume.
Caffeine.
I'll be there tomorrow night for the karaoke.
Live long and front.
And you can win between $50 and $1,000. You will have a little winner card on the inside of the box.
Call it for now. Yeah, because I need to go make some questions.
Here you go, guys. I'm Aaron, the artist. There's a lot of new art to look at in the portfolio. I'll be right with you in just a moment. Yeah, take your time. There's plenty of time to browse there.
But if you also happen to find one of the dozens of tickets I have hidden, you can win anywhere from $50 to $1,000.
Oh, these are cool.
Find a ticket.
Try this. It'll be really bad. Sorry.
You know, I probably paid more for it.
Well, probably not the British. That's the British one. Yeah.
At some point, somebody.
Yeah, they have better fun.
That's how they come, because the little green peas, we had to print separate.
You can't do it all at once.
We can, I'll just ask them to.
I need that one. Oh, my sister wants one. My sister wants one.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Welcome to Pensacon 2025, ladies and gentlemen. We have some amazing celebrity guests in attendance this weekend. We have Alex Kingston with us here this weekend, ladies and gentlemen. Alex Kingston, of course, best known for her role on ER as Dr. Elizabeth Morgan. She's also a Dr. Luke in the celebrity show Arrow. She was also on the Discovery of Witches. We have Angie Harmon in the house for the weekend as well, ladies and gentlemen. Angie Harmon, of course, is known for her role in Law and Order. She is also the first convention ever right here at Pensacon. So we'd like to welcome Angie Harmon with us here this weekend, ladies and gentlemen. We have Rory Owen,
Sorry.
We've got Rory Owen with us this weekend. That's going to be a phenomenal guest to get the chance to meet and work with this weekend. Also in the house, Lorraine Bracco, ladies and gentlemen.
I got a feeling if you actually had to. Well, yeah, I mean, technically the photo is
Elvie Sopranos, who is a psychiatrist for Jimmy Soprano, and also well known for her role in Goodfellas. She's been Rizzoli in Miles, as well as Medicine Man, and she was also in the Basketball Diaries actors as well. So we have lots of celebrity guests for you this weekend, ladies and gentlemen. If you get the opportunity to go over to the Celebrity Corner, get your autographs and your signed memorabilia, and enjoy yourself thoroughly this weekend at Pensacon.
But like in a good way. Thank you.
I got it from the lady that's over there. I got it 2 years ago.
Hey, I know that guy. I know that guy. I know that guy.
Thank you. Enjoy it.
Dude! Take a step.
Got me too, got me too. There's a step.
Let's turn this way. That looks like Dude, I'm trying to find anything. Where? You're just hi, bro. It's close, bro. Oh, I got you. I got you.
My lord.
He's like,
This is way different.
96. They go to